What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing the front lip on the Honda Civic. I want the front to look more aggressive before I drop this car for paint. Make sure I have all my parts ready to go. So that's what we're doing today. It should be easy install. It's only like 4 screws we have to install so we can attach this front lip to the bumper. Before we get started, I'm gonna show you the front lip and I'm gonna show you the tools that you need to start this install. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, also hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Enjoy the video. These are the tools that you will need for the install. You need a drill plus a drill bit, a screwdriver, and 3/4 screws. Before we get started, I want to show you guys how it looks. Just look at it. It's just nice, more aggressive from the front. It gives me a little representation of how it's gonna look once it's really painted. But yeah, that is the front lip. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I know it's hard to see in this camera, but there's a screw hole here and a screw hole there. This is where I'll be screwing the 2 screws at to keep this from falling off. And that's how you install a front lip. Told you guys, very easy. If you want to do this, go to Amazon and get you one of these amazing front lips if you just hate the old look of the stock body kit. But yeah, very simple, easy install. Tomorrow I might install the side skirts because they are here also. So that might be another quick video for you guys. That's it for today's video. If you want to know how to install a front lip, click on the right video today. Very simple, 4 screws, that's all it takes, and you will be done. This video is sponsored by nobody, and I'll see you guys later, and Legit is out.